The Espy Adaptive Sports Complex, an inclusive community where people with different abilities can come together to play, to compete, and to belong. To see our parents' names, Ben Espy and Kathy Duffy Espy, represented in this magnitude is both humbling and profoundly moving.
I've been coming to this facility since I was 17, so about on and off for 30 years. I played wheelchair basketball for over 20. I done played wheelchair rugby for over 8, and I done played wheelchair softball for about over 10 to 12 years.
Our facility got some really amazing updates that are increasing the accessibility and removing barriers for our community. Some of those include the gym curtain. So having a gym curtain allows us to facilitate dual programming. Having electrical basketball goals removes the barrier of having to push awkward, heavy, portable goals around the gym anytime our programming changes. We also received a new floor, or rather polishing of the old floor. The stalls in our restrooms, when you'll visit, you'll notice that the stalls are larger than a regular stall. They're even larger than the ADA accessibility guidelines, which really improves the user function. And then we also have a universally accessible restroom. So one of those single-use restrooms is now universally accessible with an adult changing table. It also has a Hoyer system with a track that goes throughout the restroom from the adult changing table, toilet, roll-in, shower. So full access to all the amenities any of our participants, athletes, or community members might need while they're here.
You know, when you think about the legacy of the Espy name, it's so important that we remember they were public servants who gave of themselves, public servants who gave so much back to this community, not only the city of Columbus, but even on a national level, on a state level. And so it was important. You know, you think about Mrs. Kathy Duffy Espy, she was one of our commissioners. And those are the people who legislate and who advocate for recreation. And so the legacy of them, just not from that perspective, but on a broader spectrum, is so important that we remember who they were and all that they gave back to the city.
I love Columbus Parks and Rec because with this program, I've had the opportunity to work part-time here now since 2017, so this September will be 8 years. The Espy family, adaptive sports, it's all inclusive, and we're all a part of the community that we live in.